All right, and lastly, here at ABC 10, we bring you the news every day, and we know that it's a job that can be fraught with challenges. But even with all the challenges that putting on a newscast has, there's one group that's bravely making their appearance in the world of broadcasting. ABC 10's Caitlin Connon went to Ishpeming High School to find out more.
On our broadcast tonight,
Ishpeming High School recently started up their own news broadcast, which they call iNews. It's part of a class called Business Communications taught by Scott Sergila. Sergila's students are in control of every aspect of the show, from coming up with story ideas to conducting interviews to shooting and editing video. They've only completed a couple of productions so far, but they've been successful.
I'd love to take credit, but I can't. I have an absolutely wonderful group of students that take ownership of this program, that are very, very professional. That are juniors, seniors, sophomores, that take it very seriously.
Sergila has a more limited background when it comes to broadcasting, so the students aren't the only ones learning. As they've gotten further into the school year, the class has gained more and more experience and have become a close-knit team, with Sergila as the captain.
Oh yeah, he's more of a friend than a teacher, honestly, but he teaches us just the same, and we teach him as well.
Sergila says the administration and faculty have been very supportive of the new program, even allowing students to miss class or leave school to report on important stories. A few students were even allowed to take a half day so they could attend the Suicide Hill ski jumping tournament. Experiences like these show the class that producing a news broadcast is hard work. Students often come in early to help set up for the show or stay late after school to meet deadlines, but it all seems to be worth it.
My favorite part about the class is going out and talking to people. I really love interviewing people, which I know most people dread, but it's really fun, especially when you meet someone that you wouldn't really talk to and you just get to ask them a bunch of questions and find stuff out.
Sergila hopes that in the future he'll have more interested students and a more professional studio. iNews airs on Channel 19 Monday through Friday 3 times a day. You can also catch it on Charter's Channel 188 on Tuesdays at 5 and Thursdays at 6:30. For ABC 10 and CW5 News Now, I'm Caitlin Connon.